welcome back to my channel. Today's Wednesday, which means it's Walt Disney Wednesday, but today's a takeover.
Hi guys, it's Clueless Mama D. Hopefully I'm becoming somewhat of a familiar face to you guys from the other Walt Disney Wednesday videos I've done for Auntie Tay, but if not, hello, nice to meet you. And I want to give a special thank you to those of you who have actually come over to my channel. Like, that's crazy. And you have shown me some love. Guys, that means the world for me. And I invite any of you who want to do so to come after this video and mingle with me there. But anyways, guys, those of you who do know me know I'm all about the super awesome, super adorable, and super affordable DIYs. And this is an easy one, guys, which I'm also all about. We are going to be making Disney Princess pop sockets for the phone or for the iPod. There's actually multiple uses you can use for the pop socket. I'll talk about that while I'm showing you how to make it. But anyways, guys, we're going to make these, and I think this is the easiest DIY I've done to date. And fun little story, the times have changed since my big pager in high school. I was talking to a little boy at my work the other day. He was in kindergarten and he was telling me how him and his friends have cell phones at school in kindergarten. Whew. So anyways, there's multiple uses you can do with these. You can make them with the kids, you can have them paint them, or you can go Disney like I did. So check it out.
So you'll need suction cups, super glue, optional Mod Podge, a glue gun, optional ribbon, and a little cardboard book. Everything here is found from the Dollar Tree, and the Dollar Tree always has a selection of cardboard books to choose from. The first thing you're going to do is remove the hooks from the suction cups, and you're going to need 2 suction cups per pop socket. You want to take one of the sections and just measure out the princess underneath and make sure it's a good fit. Not all of them fit nicely, so I just chose the princesses that did fit underneath. My scissors were horrible, so it's rough around the edges. Make sure you get a good pair of scissors, and then you're just going to glue the 2 suction pieces together. You can use super glue or hot glue, whichever works best, and I put some hot glue around the middle just so that it didn't fall apart. And then you're going to take the scissors and just cut off these little knobs. And to cover up the super glue, that's where I took my ribbon or thread and I just turned it all around. I glued each tip and then went around and around and around, if that makes any sense. Just like that. Alright guys, so this is so easy. You just glue and stick on the princess and you're pretty much done, and you stick it to your phone. How easy is that? Let's talk its uses. So one of my favorite things about these pop sockets is you can hold them over your head in bed and not worry about the phone crashing down to your face. Or you could take the perfect selfie. I know I'm too old for this, seriously. Or you can use it to store your headphones. And you can use it for a stand both vertically and horizontally. This was such a fun and easy DIY, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used these for your cell phone. I'd love to mingle with you there. And feel free to pop over to Clueless Mama D and say hi to me on any of my videos. Thank you guys. Thank you, Auntie Tay. Until the next Walt Disney Wednesday video.